Nice and lovely, guys. So basically it's gonna be a very straightforward breakfast for you can make in the morning. Also you can add ripe banana and a lot more fruits if you like to. You can add apple, a lot more stuff you can add to it. But anyway, I have got strawberry, which I'm already prep, and I have some blueberry and also some raspberry. All right, raspberry, strawberry, and blueberry. And I have 2 packs of oats and 1 cup of skimmy milk right here. All right, just straightforward recipe. You can use some honey for sweetness. Basically, I would say, guys, try this. Try a healthy breakfast in the morning, and you know what I mean. Instead of you run to certain place to get some heavy food for you to pile up and make you put on more weight and all these things. Just stay healthy, natural, and authentic. Recipe like this is really good for you to have early in the morning for breakfast. Why not wake up a little bit earlier and make something like this? Look after yourself just like how you look after your car. All right, thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and if you're allergic to any of these, be careful. Do some research about strawberry and blueberry and raspberry and oats and milk, because a lot of persons are allergic to most of these ingredients right here. If you don't want to use milk, you can use almond milk, or you can use rice milk. You can use whatever kind of milk you like to use. If you're a vegan, you don't have to use, you can use your favorite milk like almond milk. You know, vegan use almond milk. So yeah, or you can use soya milk. All right, so guys, there's a lot of option right here which you can do at home. So please, the next breakfast you want to make, I'm giving you a nice lovely ideas right here which you can do at home. I'm gonna make it to show you exactly what's gonna happen. So let's jump into it. Nice and lovely. All right, basically 2 things you can either do. You don't have to use a pot like what I'm gonna be doing. You can also microwave it, but me personally doesn't like microwave a lot of things, you know what I mean? Unless if I'm not on a rush. I'm not on a rush, so I'm gonna be doing it into the pot right here. So what I'm gonna put the 1 cup of milk inside of the pot like this. Alright, so we want it to get a little bit to go to the boil, which is not gonna take long to go to the boil if you have a good stove. Just don't make it boil over and mess up your stove. Alright guys, so let's kick into it, and it's gonna be fun. Alright guys, enjoy it. Nice and lovely. So basically, as you can see, it starts to get really hot. But what I'm going to do, I'm gonna simply pop a little bit of cinnamon inside of it. Just a tiny bit of cinnamon. And also a pinch of vanilla. It's just gonna bring in a lovely flavor to it, you know what I mean? Lovely. And then next, I'm going to be using 1, 2, 3, roughly about 3 tablespoons of the oats. Let's put some more oats inside of it. Roughly about 4 tablespoons. But if you're at home and you have the pack oats, it's more easier. But I'm just using my normal oats, so I just measure it out, you know. Because you know, oats is very easy to get thick, so you don't want to get too thick. Lovely. So you can see it start to getting hot and hotter, and the oats is cooking. So, and you always can always add more milk, and you can always add more oats. If you want to make a big portion, you can make a big portion. So it's cooking little by little, and I have it on a medium size heat, which is perfect for it. lovely. So it start to get a little bit thick. Nice and lovely. So as you can see, look. You can see that nice, lovely. So what I'm going to do is let's add a pinch of honey, or you can use syrup for sweetening. That's a little pinch of honey. Look at that, you see? Lovely. So I'm gonna turn off my stove because it doesn't take long, guys. It takes up to about 3 to 4 minutes. Alright, lovely. So let's get this prepared now. Nice and lovely. So yeah. Alright. Now look at this. Do you see that? And it doesn't take long. Right? And I love oats. Really nice. Now what we're gonna do is put in blueberry and blackberry, strawberry inside of it, alright? Lovely. Alright guys, so this is exactly what I'm talking about. Alright, you might have said, oh, you're gonna have, oh, Chef Ricardo is making, that is hot. Yeah, it's hot. But I want to simply say to you guys, it's just really amazing. Just make it cool down for a little bit, and then you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Look at that. That is amazing. So that is just lovely and fantastic. So guys, enjoy the recipe, subscribe, and leave your comments in the description box. If it's getting a little bit too thick, all you have to do, that's the best way to have it, guys. Honestly, you can't go wrong. It's just lovely and nice, and it's a simple breakfast, and I know 100% you guys will love this at home. So if it's a good recipe and a good ideas, why not? Please leave your comments down below in the description box, and let Chef Ricardo know exactly what to do next time. If you're allergic to any of these ingredients, please check with your doctor. Please do some research, guys. It's very important. Okay, you can be allergic to strawberry, can be allergic to blueberry, and also oats, and you can be allergic to milk. All right, so make sure you do some research. It's very important. So if you're allergic to any of these, you know what I mean, you can, as I said, even vegan, you can use your favorite milk, almond milk, soya milk. You don't have to use semi-skimmed milk, but if you're a person who normally use milk, semi-skimmed milk is one of the best milk to use because it also reduces on fat. All right, enjoy it, subscribe, and leave your comments in the description box. There are a lot more recipes like this. Early morning breakfast.